In a situation where a bank's user changes his smartphone or has not used the banking app for a long time, it might be necessary to initiate the access renewal process to update his digital signature keys. When PayConfirm is integrated into a banking app, the process of access renewal can be as simple as marking a tick in a checkbox for the updated keys to be transferred to the user's smartphone. In the instance where PayConfirm is a standalone application where cybersecurity is crucial to a bank, a user will need to take additional steps during the access renewal process. Before starting the renewal process in PayConfirm, the mobile app should be installed while a renewal form on a web page is activated. In the access renewal form, the user will need to provide email address used during the registration process. There are two options available during the access renewal process. The first option involves sending all data, including user keys, to a specified email. The second option is more secure as information is transferred via two channels. The signature keys will be encrypted in the QR code and displayed on the web page, and a special activation code will be sent via email. In the instance where the user selects the method via email address access renewal only, an email with the key information, together with instructions, will be sent to the specified email address. As soon as the user launches the mobile app, he would need to scan or navigate to receive a QR code. Next, PayConfirm will prompt him to create the username for the received key and to choose the method to protect it. No additional protection needed. Use password or fingerprint protection. After selecting the method of protection, the renewed key will be registered on the server and the PayConfirm application will be ready to generate the MTAS, a via transaction authentication signature.